Hello and welcome. If you're looking to save time, money and stress when you're about to install your Ikea kitchen, I'm here to help. In the last 6 years I have installed close to 250 Ikea kitchens, and that has given me a lot of experience, and all that experience I'm putting into YouTube videos now for you to benefit from. About 10 years ago I decided to leave a career as an engineer because I didn't feel any joy from doing that anymore. I have been working in a number of industries, but I think it was time to make a change. At about the same time I moved from Europe to Canada, and I decided to start a business that has nothing to do with engineering. So I started to think about what I've done in the past, and home renovation was the thing that came up that I enjoyed the most. So that's why I'm installing Ikea kitchens. I post a new video every 2 weeks. And if you hit the subscribe button, be sure to hit the notification bell as well, so you get a notification when I upload new content. Thank you.